Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of the most frequently asked question in interviews for the role of Python developers and data scientists. What is the difference between tuple and a list? Interviewers mainly ask this question to gauge the candidate's basic understanding of data structures in Python. Let's quickly jump in. So here I have divided the differences into three categories: the syntax, mutability, and usability. Let's quickly look at the syntactic differences between the tuple and a list. So to create a tuple, we need to use round brackets, something like this. So let's print the tuple which we created. And to create a list, we need to use square brackets. So the syntactic difference is tuples are declared using the round brackets. List is declared using square brackets. Let's go back to the second category called mutability. This is the main difference between the tuple and the list uh, from a foundation point of view. Tuple is immutable, whereas list is mutable. Let me show you what I mean by that. When I say immutable, you can't modify the object once it is created. Because tuple is immutable, you can't change the element at any position in the tuple once it is created. So let me show you. So let's say I want to change the element at index 0 from 1 to 10. If I do something like this, it will throw me an error saying that tuple object does not support item assignment. Because it is immutable, we will not be able to change the object once it is created. Whereas, because list is mutable, we can change the elements of the list easily. Let's print the modified list. So here, because I modified the element 0 to 12, in the when I print the new B after modification, we can see the 12, whereas before it is 1. So this is the main difference between list and tuple, and everyone should be able to explain this clearly when you are asked this question. So what is the difference? Tuple is immutable, list is mutable. Now let's talk about usability. Because tuples are immutable, they can be used as keys in your dictionaries. You can't use list as keys in dictionary in Python because list is mutable. That's the usability. So you can't use list as keys in your dictionaries. And because tuples you can't modify once they are created, generally they are most efficient compared to lists, but it offers less flexibility if you want to go for modifications. So usability wise, one more thing is like whenever you want to create an arrays or like hold objects which will not change, something like person credentials when you're passing across different function calls, uh, you should go for tuple rather than list, because list can be changed or modified, but tuple you will not be able to modify the elements once you create it. So these are the main differences between tuple and list. That's all for now. Thanks.